How to connect your iPhone 16e to any Bluetooth speaker. So to do this, first of all, set the iPhone aside, turn on your Bluetooth speaker and put it in pairing mode. It depends which brand you have, which model you have, it will always be slightly different. On this model, I have to power it on and then I have to press the pairing button. But on some speakers, you'll have to press the power button to put it in pairing mode. So again, check the manual of your Bluetooth speaker first. All right, it's in pairing mode. Now set the speaker aside, and on your iPhone, you simply have to find the settings icon. If it's not there, it should be somewhere. Keep press on the settings icon. Select Bluetooth in this list. And then make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And under devices, you should see the name of your Bluetooth speaker. Tap on it. Wait a few seconds and you're going to see connected. Now you can go ahead, open any music app, YouTube, whatever you want, and the sound will come out of your Bluetooth speakers and not from the speakers of your iPhone 16e. Once you're done using your Bluetooth speaker, well, you can do multiple things. First of all, simply by turning off the speaker itself, it will disconnect and the sound will come out of your iPhone speakers, because it will detect that the speaker is disconnected and automatically it will switch to these. You can also delete your Bluetooth speaker if you don't intend to use it anymore, simply by going again in the Bluetooth settings, find your speaker, tap on the eye icon and select Forget Device. Forget Device, and this will completely delete it from your iPhone. You'll have to pair it again in the future if you want to use it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.